guys, today I'll be discussing how to sketch a graph. Using few easy steps, I assure you to sketch the graph of any nth degree polynomial function. Here we have f of x is equal to x squared minus 5x plus 6. We find all the factors of our function and then all the zeros. Next step, we plot those zeros. And then make a table leaving all the factors in this side, and then choose a value of x that is less than 2, and then substituting with those factors. 1 minus 3 is equal to negative 2, getting its sign is negative. 1 minus 2 is negative 1, getting its negative sign. Next step is to find a value of x that is in between 2 and 3. So we try 2.5. 2.5 substituting with the factors. 2.5 minus 3, we got a negative answer. 2.5 substituting to x minus 2 is positive 0.5. Next is to try value of x that is greater than 3. Substituting 4 to x minus 3 will have a positive answer. Substituting 4 to x minus 2 will have. Multiplying all the signs, we obtain a positive number, meaning the graph is above the x-axis. Multiplying all the signs here, obtaining negative sign, meaning below the x-axis. Multiplying all the sign, obtaining a positive sign, meaning above the axis. So the last step is to graph the function. Here, values of x that is less than 1 is in above the x-axis. So graphing it will be like this. Values of x that is in between 2 and 3 is in below the x-axis. Values of x that is greater than 3 is above the axis. Finally, we graph our function. So our next activity is, given the factors and the zeros of our polynomial, factors are x plus 5, x, and x minus 3, while the zeros are negative 5, 0, and 3. So plotting all the zeros, making again a table, leaving all the factors in this side, and then trying value of x that is less than negative 5. So we try negative 6, substituting it with the factors, giving us a negative sign, and a negative sign. Trying value of x that is in between negative 5 and 0. So we try negative 1, substituting it with the factors, giving us a positive sign, and a negative sign. Trying value of x that is in between 0 and 3. So we try 1, substituting with the factors, giving us a sign of positive and a negative. Trying value of x that is greater than 3. So we try 4, substituting it with the factors, giving us a sign of positive, and positive. Multiplying all the sign, giving us a negative sign, meaning that is in below the x-axis. Multiplying all these signs, giving us a positive sign, meaning that is above the x-axis. Multiplying all the signs, giving us a negative sign, meaning below the x-axis. Multiplying all the sign, giving us a positive sign, meaning it is above the x-axis. So we plot now our function. All the values of x less than negative 5 is in below the x-axis, while values of x between negative 5 and 0 is in above the x-axis. Values of x between 0 and 3 is below the x-axis. Values of x greater than 3 is above the x-axis. So we are now able to graph our function.